Number 1.
1974 Chevrolet C10, price $9,400. This truck is a well-preserved and all-original example that has traveled 141,000 miles. It retains its factory-installed 454 big block V8 engine, paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a Rochester 4-barrel carburetor. The truck runs and drives well, and a fresh set of brand-new tires was installed just a week ago. The exterior is finished in its original red paint, which remains in solid condition, and the body is completely rust-free and increasingly rare find in classic trucks of this era. While the factory air conditioning is still functional and blows somewhat cold, it currently needs a refrigerant recharge to restore full cooling performance. The odometer currently displays 41,000 miles, but it has rolled over once. The truck comes with a clean title in hand and is ready for its next owner. With its classic styling, powerful factory drivetrain, and rust-free condition, this C10 is a standout choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike.
Number 2.
1992 Ford F250, price $8,855. With 196,000 miles on the odometer, it's powered by the legendary 460 V8 gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission, delivering both strength and smoothness on the road. The truck is finished in its original factory brown paint, while showing minor age-related imperfections, adds to its authentic charm and vintage appeal. Inside, it features a matching brown interior with well-preserved original seats that offer a comfortable and nostalgic driving experience. Mechanically, everything functions exactly as it should. The air conditioning blows cold, the 12V charging port is operational, and the windshield wipers work without issue, making it a reliable daily driver even decades after it rolled off the assembly line. Adding to its practicality, this truck is also equipped with a fifth-wheel towing kit, making it not only a collectible piece of automotive history but also a capable workhorse.
Number 3.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,999, one-owner truck with only 169,000 original miles on the odometer.
It features a 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong and reliable performance.
The truck runs and drives great, with everything functioning just as it should. Finished in a clean white exterior with a tan interior, the overall condition is impressive for its age. The cabin is in good shape, and the original radio still works perfectly. It also comes equipped with cold air conditioning, making it comfortable for daily driving or longer hauls. All 4 tires are in solid condition, offering a smooth and steady ride. This vehicle comes with a clean title and a clean Carfax in hand, further confirming its solid history and responsible ownership.
Number 4.
1993 Chevrolet 3500, price $8,500. This truck is a solid, dependable truck with 258,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a gray interior, the truck still runs great and is mechanically sound. The air conditioning is fully functional, providing comfort even in warmer climates. The vehicle was recently brought in from Calexico and has a clean title in hand with current registration plates, making it ready to hit the road immediately. While the headliner could use some upholstery work and the body could benefit from a bit of polishing, the overall condition makes it a strong candidate for a reliable workhorse or daily driver.
Number 5.
1965 Ford F100, price $7,800. With 149,000 miles on the odometer, it still runs, drives, and stops reliably, proving its durability over the decades. Under the hood is a strong V8 390 engine, paired with an automatic transmission, delivering a classic driving experience that's both powerful and smooth. The exterior is finished in a vintage green, while the interior features a clean and simple black color scheme, maintaining its original style and charm. Although it doesn't come with modern conveniences like power steering or air conditioning, all major systems are in working order, and the truck performs well mechanically. It runs on gasoline and is currently not registered, making it ideal for someone looking to restore it to its former glory or use it as a dependable weekend cruiser.
Number 6.
1989 Chevrolet 3500, price $3,000, powered by a 454 big block V8 paired with an automatic transmission. It has 247,500 miles on the odometer and comes with a clean title. The exterior is white with a beige interior, and it runs on gasoline. Recently, the truck received several updates, including a new fuel pump, fuel filter, diaphragm, spark plugs, distributor cap, rear shocks, and tires. The transmission, differential, and engine have all been rebuilt. It also features a front grille from a '93 GMC and has no catalytic converters, The current owner saved it from being scrapped and used it reliably until a recent issue developed a rod knock due to low oil pressure after fixing a blown oil line. Despite this, the truck has great potential with many new parts already installed.
Number 7.
1977 Ford Ranger, price $8,900. This pickup is a solid example of a classic full-size truck that still runs and drives well. It is equipped with a powerful 460 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it a strong performer on the road. The truck has approximately 67,000 miles on it and comes with a clean title, ensuring peace of mind for the next owner. The exterior is finished in a classic green, giving it a vintage appeal, and it's sitting on tires that are like new, ready for the road. Whether you're looking for a dependable driver or a strong candidate for restoration, this Ranger offers a solid foundation.
Number 8.
1972 Ford F250, price $6,500. It features a blue exterior, green interior, automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. Under the hood, it's upgraded with an Edelbrock intake manifold, carburetor, and air intake filter worth around $1,000. The truck starts easily, shifts smoothly, has working headlights, and is equipped with both primary and secondary fuel tanks. The interior seats are in great condition, clean and comfortable. Tags are current through December 2025, and no smog check is required for this model year. As expected from a classic, it has some issues: oil and coolant leaks, worn steering and suspension, and a partially functioning instrument cluster. Only the speedometer works. Still, it's a strong base for restoration or weekend driving with its classic style and performance upgrades.
Number 9.
1966 Ford F100, price $7,900. This truck is a classic pickup that runs great and has approximately 100,000 miles on it. It features a manual transmission with the iconic 3-on-the-tree column shifter, offering an authentic vintage driving experience. The truck is finished in a striking red exterior that captures the era's bold styling. Under the hood, it's powered by a strong 390 cubic inch V8 engine, recently upgraded with a new Edelbrock carburetor to enhance performance and reliability. It also comes equipped with air conditioning that currently blows air, though it does not blow cold and may need servicing. Overall, this F100 stands as a solid and appealing classic, perfect for someone looking to enjoy or restore a piece of American truck history.
Number 10.
1978 Ford F150, price $8,500. It has 82,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission paired with a V8 351M motor. The exterior is finished in white, while the interior features a brown color scheme. It runs on gasoline and carries a clean title. The registration tags are already paid through 2026. The truck has not been running for several years and is currently not operational. However, the motor is not locked. Battery and starter fluid were recently used to attempt to start, and a video can be provided upon request. DMV paperwork was started but has not been fully completed. This F150 will require a full tune-up, a carburetor rebuild, a radiator rebuild, and brake repairs to be roadworthy. It must be towed or trailered home due to its current non-running condition.